What's up, y'all? Today we are going to be checking out the Belfast 800 by Black Harbor Sound. Black Harbor Sound is a independent company based out of Salt Lake City, Utah. They're really cool. Go check them out. All their info will be below. The guitar I'm going to be using in this video is a heavily modified Squier Telecaster with Jim Root EMG Demon pickups in it and a EGC aluminum neck. The strings I'm using on this are also Black Harbor. These are the 11 through 58 heavies. Without further ado, let's check this shit out. Hey all, thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate it. If you liked it, share it, and do all that worldy pipe stuff. But I wanted to give a big shout out to Black Harbor Sound for providing all the wonderful sounds you heard in this video, using the strings on the guitar and using the wonderful Belfast 800, which was the main focal point of this video. My band Bluntsplitter just recently got signed with Black Harbor Sound, so we are official Black Harbor artists. Go check them out again. They're a wonderful company. I can't say enough good things about them. You're just going to have to go check them out, pick up some products, pick up a pedal, pick up some strings, pick up some picks, and tell them we sent you. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll do more of these. I like doing these demo videos. They're pretty cool. So, till next time.